In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new domain in cPanel. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can add your domain correctly and understand what each option means along the way. This is a simple task, but it's important to pay attention to the settings, especially the document root, because that determines where your website files will live on the server. To begin, log into your cPanel account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the main dashboard, where all of your hosting tools are organized into sections. If your layout looks slightly different, that's normal, since some hosting providers customize the cPanel theme. The important thing is to look for the section related to domains. Next, navigate to the Domains section and click on Domains. This will open the area where you can manage the domain names connected to your hosting account. From here, you'll be able to see existing domains and access the option to add a new one. Once you're on the domains page, click the Create a New Domain button. This takes you to the setup screen where you'll enter the details for the domain you want to add. Make sure you type the domain name carefully, since even a small typo can cause problems later. In the domain name field, enter your new domain name. After that, look for the document root setting. In many cases, this box may be checked automatically. If you want to use a custom folder path for this domain, uncheck the document root box and set your desired path. If you prefer the default folder structure, you can leave it as needed based on your setup. This part is important because the document root is the location where your website's files will be stored, so choosing the correct path helps keep your sites organized and prevents confusion later when uploading content. After reviewing the domain name and document root settings, click Submit. cPanel will then process the request and create the new domain. Once it's finished, you should see a confirmation that the domain has been added successfully. At that point, your new domain is created and ready for the next stage of setup, such as uploading website files or connecting the domain's DNS if needed. If something doesn't work right away, give it a little time and double check that the domain was entered correctly and that the path is set the way you intended. And that's how to create a new domain in cPanel.